Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about QuantumScape of stock. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. Today's video is talking about stock is trading at 8.78 US dollar with 2.09% positive in a day. We can easily see stock is volatile for a day. The volume of stock is much not the all-time highs, so the fundamental stock is much pretty better than other penny stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and also comment for related queries.